How to download GTA 5 on Android. First, open your Play Store on Android and in the search bar, type Cheeky Play PC Games. You'll see an app listed there. That's the one we're looking for. Tap on it and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. It will ask for storage permissions, so make sure to allow these. Look to the top right corner for a search icon and tap it. Then type GTA into the search bar and you'll see a list of results. Tap the first one that appears and on the next screen, tap the play button. You'll need to log in, which you can do quickly using your Google or Facebook account, whichever you prefer. After logging in, hit the play button again. You'll see various versions of GTA 5, such as Story Mode, Online Mode, and more. These are premium versions that require payment. However, there's good news. There's a free version you can play, though you'll need 1 coin for 3 minutes of gameplay. You can earn coins for free or purchase them if you prefer. Next, just tap on the free option to start. You might encounter an ad, but don't worry. Just wait a few seconds and close it. The app will check your network connection, and soon, you'll see a timer. This is the waiting period before you can start playing, which is currently around 60 minutes, though it can vary depending on when you're playing. Once the wait is over, GTA 5 will launch on your phone, and that's it. You're ready to experience GTA 5 mobile. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.